Hey guys, I just want to give a quick little troubleshooting thing because these are some things that may pop up as you're trying to use WeVideo. Sometimes when you are trying to do something in WeVideo, you may have just a blank screen, kind of it's blank gray or it's blank white, or it may be white and it has a little Adobe Flash icon up here and says that you need Adobe Flash. If that's the case, just refresh your screen. Usually you have to refresh 2 or 3 times. And sometimes you'll refresh and then it'll come with a survey and then you got to close the survey and get back into it. Or sometimes it'll refresh and it'll take you back to like a big blue screen with a big graphic that takes up the whole screen. And you have a little dashboard button kind of in the upper right, click dashboard and then go back to create video. Also want to let you know, sometimes your images, you may upload an image and then over here on the right, it'll say that it can't display the image. So again, that's another time that you're going to want to refresh. So basically, anytime you come up on any issues, just refresh a few times and that usually solves the problem. And one thing to bear in mind, the problem's actually not with WeVideo. Those kind of issues are because of the web filter that we have here at Maryville. To make sure you're not going to sites or seeing images that you shouldn't be seeing. And sometimes that web filter causes some problems like what we experience here. But most people don't get them. I do get a few, 1 or 2 every class that might get them. But again, typically if you just refresh, that will solve your problem. If you refresh many times and it's still not working and just your computer is just bogged down for some reason, what you could do if you want to just kind of partner with someone and kind of go through things. You could still watch the videos, obviously, and listen to those. But as far as like bringing in images, dragging images down, you could work with a partner on that until your computer is able to get it up and going. Also, bear in mind that with WeVideo, it's an online application. So if you have a computer at home, you can use your computer at home, go to WeVideo, log in with your school account, and that will allow you to edit, and you're not going to run into those same web filter kind of issues because you're not using the school computer, you're using your own personal computer. So again, the basic point of this video is just to simply say, if you run into issues where things aren't loading, just refresh, and usually that will solve your problem.